Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Notion to Make.com. All right, so let's begin with the video. We have an empty scenario here, just as an example, and I'm going to click and add a Notion module. Then search for Notion and click on it. Let's go ahead and click on Watch Database Items for this example. What we want to do is first click on Create Connection, and new pop-up will appear. Here we need to choose a connection type. My Notion database is internal, not public, so we're going to go ahead and click on Notion Internal. You can name the connection whatever you want. But next, we're going to need the internal integration token, which we need to get from our Notion database. I have my Notion database open right here, and what we want to do is go to the top right, make sure we have the exact page we want to give access to, and then go to where it says Connections, and click on Manage Connections. At the bottom here, we need to go where it says Develop and Manage Integrations. So go ahead and click on that. We're going to set up a brand new integration. So I'm going to click on New Integration. You can set this to whatever name you want, but I'm just going to name it Make.com Integration. Make sure you select the correct workspace and set the type to Internal. Then go ahead and click on Save at the bottom right. Now, we need to click on Configure Integration Settings, which is where we will get our integration token, also known as the internal integration secret. Click on Show, then copy this token. Next, go back to our Make.com integration and enter the token we just copied from our Notion database. Click Save, and here on this page again, click on Save. And if everything worked correctly, we should see that our connection is now linked to the brand new integration we just created. Now, we have full access to the database page that we just connected. So that's basically how you can connect Notion to Make.com. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.